mantra also. Om Mitraya Namaha. Next, Astavuttanasana. Raise your palms and bend comfortably. Your foot shaped with the V shape or comfortably stand. Slightly bend your lumbar region. Stay asana sthiti. Om Ravaye Namaha. While exhale, Padahastasana. Your palms touch to your feet. Padahastasana. Bend your body. Try to touch your head closer to the knees. Closer to the knees. Is very good for the strengthening the back muscles. Om Suryaya Namaha. Next, fourth position, fourth asana, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Your right leg bend your forward. Then raise your body.